What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be doing a rant about no code. Now, my name is Osama. If you're new to the channel, I basically talk about building apps with no code, how to monetize that skill, and just overall being a tech entrepreneur without having to code. So anyways, what I really want to talk about is no code, and I'm just hoping some code nerd guy pops up in the comment with some hate speech. But anyways, what I really want to talk about is why this is the perfect opportunity for you to make a lot of money if you're looking for ways to make money online. So you have to understand that money is made by providing a service, providing value, and you need to have something to offer. That is a skill. You need to have some reason why people give you money, especially online. So the best way to do that is to build a skill that's so valuable in the industry that we are in today and monetize that. So having a skill of making apps for people, having a skill where you can build integrations, especially AI agents, now the new wave of AI where people are needing these workers to work for them using AI. AI agents are huge, and they're going to be huge even more. So having that type of skill where people really, really want you and their business runs off your services is super valuable. But we're going to be talking about like no code, and I'm going to tell you why I think coders are just going to disappear off the face of the planet. So a lot of coders might have, some disagreements with me, but I'm happy to debate anybody. So if you think otherwise, just let me know in the comments. But what we're going into in the future is kind of crazy because everything is evolved around tech. So tech just evolutionized everything. And the way that tech was built was through coding on the back end. And right now there's something new called no code, if you don't know, right? It's basically where you're able to build apps by without even having to know code, but you just understand the fundamentals of it, and you can kind of just click a bunch of buttons, type in some words, and then boom, you have an app. Now it's not that simple, but you get the point. So as businesses evolve around code, the main thing you have to understand is what a business needs, which is results. So results, right? What is results? It's not coding, right? 99% of tech companies aren't showing off their code. So the reason why coders will, kind of disappear is just because of the formula of business, right? It's like time versus results. So businesses want results, and if they can deliver more results or spend less time, they're going to do that. So if I can get the same type of app or the same results in 1 week rather than 1 year, why would I choose 1 year if there's completely no catch or downside to it? Right? You choose 1 year, you choose a week. You're gonna choose a week. So this is the whole argument behind it, and people will build and enhance these no code tools so that businesses can benefit from it, and there's gonna be value in it, right? Businesses will benefit, the no code developers and the platforms that offer no-code tools will thrive. So it will be a hand-in-hand win-win situation. The only people that do lose are the coders that are going to lose their jobs. And no one cares about them. Because in reality, the truth of it is the only reason why coders exist and are able to have that as an income is because businesses need them to deliver the results. As soon as they no longer need them, they're out the gate. They're drowning in the water. They're as if they never were here, right? They're going to disappear. Now, obviously, these no code platforms are built on code, and everything that's no code is, like code in the back end. But you have to think about it, right? If coders were going to still exist till the end of the time, if that was the case, then there would still be, people that are coding in ones and zeros and binary. But that's not, right? Because there's layers on top of that. No one has to build these applications off binary language, ones and zeros, ones and zeros. That's not the case, right? There's layers on top of these layers that, people just work on, the top 2 or top 3 layers. The rest is just, like no one touches it. So as soon as like the top layer of like no code, as soon as that's perfected, I highly believe that coding will just be like dead. No one's gonna want to pay for that, right? It's gonna be such a hard and rare job. You'd rather just pay one developer to build a whole app than having a whole team of 100 people focusing on one app. It's just a scalability thing, and it's just bound to happen. So if you are a coder, maybe you can provide some insights on why you think otherwise. If you're someone that's looking to become a tech entrepreneur, take this as a sign that you can actually be a tech entrepreneur without being a nerd and without risking your social life and learning this skill that's very valuable in a short amount of time. It's very easy to learn if you're, up for it, and you have some sort of technical knowledge right now. Very easy to learn. So yeah, guys, and let me know what you think about my theories in the comments. This was just a rant, so I'm happy to hear what your thoughts are, whatever they are, good or bad. But anyways, if you guys like this type of style of video, just subscribe. I'll be posting more tutorials, technical videos. I will be starting a community where I teach you guys how to build apps with no code, how I monetize it, how I get my jobs, how I build my own app. So just let me know in the comments, like it, whatever. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put that in the comment section in the bio. But yeah, man, I'll see you in the next video, hopefully. So peace.